Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather. So today I'm going to be showing you some beauty products that I got from the dollar store. In comparison to how much they are at Sally's. So the first thing is the eyebrow shaper and mascara wands. It's got the eyebrow shaper in it with the wand. The wands are good for combing out your eyebrows before waxing or your eyelashes. I don't use these for mascara. I don't wear a lot of mascara, but there's brushes and mascara, so I don't use these. But I use these for my eyebrows because before you wax, you want to brush them out so you can see your arch line. So these are $1. You go to Sally's, you get 3 of the eyebrow shapers and they're like 10 to 12 bucks. Go to the dollar store and get them. You can also buy just the shapers. I think you get 3 for $1. Also bought extra sets of these mascara wands. Like I said, I use these for my eyebrows when I wax. They last for a while. Or if you do eyebrow waxing, you can use these, throw them away. You get 8 for $1. Whereas you get the same amount at Sally's for $7. So it's the same thing. Also got a false eyelash extension applicator, dollar store. Not sure how much these are at Sally's, but if I'm not mistaken, I think it was like 10, 12 bucks just for one dollar store. Simple enough. Also bought some eyelashes from the dollar store. I bought 2 packs. I'm gonna try these. I've never had eyelash extensions, but I do want fuller lashes. Being in cosmetology school, I think they look really good. So for a pack at Walmart, they were like 10 bucks, and you got one set, and then you got the glue, and then like some sets had like fingernails in them. I don't wear fake fingernails because they don't stay on. I do too much and they pop off. I ain't got time for that. So I also got this Jade facial roller. This is for massaging your face. It relaxes your facial muscles and nerves. It reduces wrinkles. It speeds up blood circulation. It tightens skin's elasticity. And then how to use this is wash face, then roll Jade roller twice daily, morning and night. Use favorite essential oils to maximize the results. $1. I don't know how much they are at the beauty store because I don't really look for stuff like that. I just usually massage with my fingers. So also, I found this lip scrubber brush at the dollar store. And then it says use your favorite lip scrub to exfoliate the lips. Use the larger bristles, blah, blah, blah. And gently massage in circular motions. Next, apply lip oil and massage the lips with the larger bristles to create the perfect pout. So on one side, it's got the smaller bristles, and on the other side, it's got larger bristles. And those are for stimulation. The smaller ones, what you see here, does the exfoliating. $1. Also, I got this 2-in-1 foot file. We're not supposed to use these in North Carolina, but at home, you can use what you want on yourself. So, this ergonomically shaped skin brush file is user-friendly and easy to handle. Washable stainless steel, so you can rinse this, sanitize it for the next time. For gentle and lasting pedicures, removes dry skin and calluses by uniform, gentle rubbing. For maximum effects, use this on dry skin. So, it says 2-in-1, so I guess on one side it's got the scrubber part, and then you got the metal. We call them cheese graters in cosmetology. You're not allowed to use these on customers, clients, whatever, but you can use it at home on yourself. Also, I found this makeup brush cleaning mitt. And what it does, you put your fingers in the mitt, you apply a small amount of soap and water or brush cleaner into grooves. Gently rub brush bristles along mitt until clean. Rinse brush and squeeze excess water. Once finished, towel dry the mitt and lay out to dry. Stuff like this retails for $5 to $8, but the Dollar Tree sells these. I've never seen the mitt. I've seen the mats. So there's how it looks, and there's where you just put your fingers in there, hold it, and then you just clean your brush. So not bad. So these are my dollar store finds. Get it all situated. So that's my video for today. If there's any other shopping hauls you want to see done for beauty supplies, leave me a comment. I will do the video. I will comment back. I love talking to my subscribers. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And for today, that is it. Thanks for watching.